Okay, let's say find the value of x, right? We need to find the value of x here. Okay, let's say find the other angle which we can find. Now here they tell no A is the tangent, AE is a tangent, this is a tangent, right? And here at the tangent point you can see here AB is a chord, AB is a chord for this circle. Then this angle, right? But the again I will tell, but the tangent here A is the tangent. At tangent point they make chord here. Actually they make two chord, AB and AD, but we need to find here AB chord. It's important. AB chord subtended angle at circumference, that means this one normally we call alternate segment theorem. But the tangent, the angle between tangent and the chord is equal to the angle that the same chord subtended angle at circumference, right? Now this AB is the chord. This is a little bit difficult to understand this theorem. Try to understand here. A is the tangent. At that tangent point they make the chord AB. That same AB chord subtended angle at circumference, that means from this chord, end of the chord from here and here, you need to draw a line to the circumference, make angle here, this angle. It will be equal to this chord and the tangent. Between that you have this angle, no, 40 degree. This will be equal to this. That's the theorem, right? Again if I tell, this is the tangent. At tangent point this is the chord AB. This AB chord from end of the this edges from AB, if you draw a subtended angle at circumference, normally we call like that, from this A and B go to circumference. Here this angle will be equal to this, right? Or the angle between tangent and the chord. Here 40, so this also 40, right? Then again if you consider ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so that's why if this is 100 this must be 80, because opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral it's supplementary, right? This supplementary, that means this plus this should be 180, right? Try to understand, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, no? A B C D, and this opposite angle, right? These two opposite, so that means this plus this must be 180, right? In a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle add up to 180, this angle, opposite angle is this, not this, not this, this is the opposite angle, right? So if this is 100 this should be 80 to become this two add up to 180. If this is 100 this should be 80. Now you can find value of x. How? We can write like this, what the 80 plus 40 plus x should be 180. So here will be x equal 180. If I add this 2 and bring to here, it will be minus, then here will be 120. So x will be 180 minus 120 mean 60 degrees. So x equal 60 degrees.